Hey, beautiful people! We all dream of having that radiant, healthy glow. It's about more than just looking good, it's about feeling confident in your own skin. Achieving that coveted glow is a journey, and it starts with a consistent skincare routine. Don't worry, you don't need a million products or complicated steps. This essay is your guide to a simple yet effective daily skincare routine for glowing skin, suitable for all skin types. We'll break down each step from cleansing to sunscreen and highlight the incredible benefits they offer. Get ready to unlock your skin's natural radiance. It's time to say hello to a healthier, more vibrant you. Let's get glowing. The first step to any good skincare routine is cleansing. Think of it as creating a clean canvas for the rest of your products to work their magic. Throughout the day, our skin accumulates dirt, oil, pollution, and even makeup residue. Cleansing removes these impurities, preventing clogged pores and breakouts. But hold on, not all cleansers are created equal. Harsh cleansers can strip your skin of its natural oils, leaving it feeling dry and irritated. Instead, opt for a gentle cleanser that effectively removes impurities without compromising your skin's natural moisture barrier. Look for cleansers with soothing ingredients like chamomile or aloe vera. Remember, a happy skin is a healthy skin. Toning is often an overlooked step, but trust me, it's a game changer. After cleansing, our skin's pH level can be disrupted. Toner helps to restore this balance, preparing your skin to absorb the following products more effectively. Think of toner as a refreshing drink for your face. It helps to tighten pores, minimize the appearance of blemishes, and provide an extra layer of hydration. Look for toners formulated with ingredients like rosewater or witch hazel, known for their soothing and balancing properties. Section 4, Step 3, Serums, targeted treatments for radiant skin. Now let's talk about serums, the superheroes of the skincare world. These potent elixirs are designed to deliver powerful ingredients directly into your skin, addressing a variety of concerns with precision. Serums are lightweight, concentrated formulas packed with active ingredients that target specific skin concerns. Unlike moisturizers, which are designed to hydrate and protect the skin's surface, serums are formulated to penetrate deeper into the skin, delivering a high concentration of active ingredients. Whether you're looking to hydrate, brighten, reduce hyperpigmentation, or combat signs of aging, there's a serum out there for you. The beauty of serums lies in their versatility and effectiveness. They can be tailored to meet the unique needs of your skin, making them an essential step in any skincare routine. For a radiant glow, look for serums containing ingredients like vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, or niacinamide. These ingredients are known for their ability to transform the skin, giving it a healthy, luminous appearance. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that brightens the skin and protects it from environmental damage. It helps to neutralize free radicals, which can cause premature aging and dullness. Regular use of a vitamin C serum can result in a more even skin tone and a noticeable reduction in dark spots. Hyaluronic acid is a humectant, meaning it draws moisture from the air and locks it into your skin, leaving it plump and hydrated. This ingredient is especially beneficial for those with dry or dehydrated skin, as it can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water, providing intense hydration and a youthful glow. Niacinamide helps to even out skin tone, reduce the appearance of pores, and control excess oil production. This multifunctional ingredient is suitable for all skin types and can help to improve the overall texture and clarity of your skin. Incorporating a niacinamide serum into your routine can lead to a smoother, more refined complexion. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to using serums. Apply them daily, preferably after cleansing and before moisturizing, to see the best results. With regular use, you'll notice a significant improvement in your skin's health and appearance. So find the right serum for your skin type and concerns, and let these powerful treatments work their magic. Section 5, Step 4 and 5, Moisturize and Protect, Hydration and Shielding Your Skin. In this section, we will delve into the importance of moisturizing and protecting your skin, ensuring it remains healthy and radiant. Moisturizer is like a tall glass of water for your skin. It quenches the skin's thirst, providing it with the essential hydration it needs to function properly. It helps to hydrate, soften, and plump the skin, while also strengthening its natural protective barrier. This barrier is crucial as it defends against environmental aggressors and prevents moisture loss. Whether you have dry, oily, or combination skin, moisturizing is essential for maintaining a healthy, balanced complexion. Each skin type has its unique needs, and finding the right moisturizer can make all the difference. Look for moisturizers formulated with ingredients like ceramides, hyaluronic acid, or shea butter. Ceramides help to restore the skin's barrier. Hyaluronic acid attracts moisture, and shea butter provides deep nourishment. These ingredients help to lock in moisture, leaving your skin feeling soft and supple. Regular use of a good moisturizer can improve skin texture and overall appearance. And last but certainly not least, sunscreen. Sunscreen is an indispensable part of any skincare routine. No matter your skin type or the weather, daily SPF protection is non-negotiable. Sunscreen shields your skin from harmful UV rays, which can cause significant damage over time. Sun damage is a major contributor to premature aging, hyperpigmentation, and other skin concerns. Protecting your skin from the sun can help maintain its youthful appearance and prevent long-term damage. Make sunscreen your best friend and apply it generously every single day, even on cloudy days. Remember, UV rays can penetrate through clouds and windows, so consistent application is key to effective protection. Reapply sunscreen every 2 hours, especially if you're spending time outdoors or sweating. Keeping a travel-size sunscreen in your bag can make reapplication easy and convenient. By incorporating these steps into your daily routine, you can ensure your skin stays hydrated, protected, and glowing. Healthy skin is a reflection of overall well-being, so take the time to care for it properly. Section 6. Beyond the basics, lifestyle, and skincare tips. While a consistent skincare routine is crucial for achieving glowing skin, there are other factors that play a significant role. It's not just about the products you use, but also about how you live your life. Our lifestyle choices can greatly impact our skin's health. Regular physical activity, for instance, boosts circulation and helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to the skin, promoting a healthy glow. Here are some additional tips to enhance your skincare routine. Hydrate from within. Drinking water is essential for maintaining skin moisture and elasticity. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin hydrated and glowing from the inside out. Nourish your body. What you eat can be just as important as what you apply to your skin. Eat a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats to provide your skin with the nutrients it needs to thrive. Foods high in antioxidants like berries and leafy greens can help protect your skin from damage. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your skin to repair and regenerate itself. During sleep, your body increases blood flow to the skin, which helps to rebuild collagen and repair damage from UV exposure. Manage stress. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on our skin. It can lead to breakouts, dullness, and even accelerate the aging process. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as exercise, meditation, or spending time in nature. Activities like yoga and deep breathing exercises can help calm your mind and reduce stress levels, which in turn benefits your skin. Remember, a holistic approach to skincare involves not just topical treatments, but also taking care of your overall well-being. Section 7. Embrace the glow consistency and your skincare journey. Remember, achieving glowing skin is not about overnight miracles. It's about consistency and listening to your skin's needs. Stick to your skincare routine morning and night, and don't be afraid to adjust it as needed based on your skin's changing needs. And most importantly, be patient and kind to yourself. Embrace the journey and celebrate the small victories along the way. Your skin is unique and beautiful, and with a little TLC, it can radiate its natural glow. Now go out there and glow, beautiful,